Hi guys, I'm Georgina from Australian Primary Hemp, and today I'll be teaching you how to make hemp milk. So hemp milk is one of my favourite recipes to make because it's so easy and simple, and it's a great way to make sure that you're getting all the protein, fibre and omega-3, 6 and 9 into your daily diet. First off, I'm going to start with our Australian Primary Hemp seeds. So I've got half a cup here, which I'm going to put into our blender. And now I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I like to add these for taste, but it is completely optional, up to you whether you would like to add these or not. Lastly, I'm going to add our 3 cups of water into the blender before blending. So blend until it's nice and fluffy and white. As you can see here, I've blended mine for roughly 30 seconds now and it's turned into quite a creamy white consistency. So once it is all blended, it's time to strain it into your nut milk bag. As easy as that. Now you can enjoy some fresh made hemp milk in the comfort of your own home. Cheers!